In the previous video, we showed how to place an iron condor option trade using near-term options. The thinking was if we could make a quick profit right away, we would take it, or if the stock price moved against us, we would roll to the next month and basically have a do-over. So if you missed that video, I'll put a link down below and you can check that out. In this video, we will take a look and see what happened in the trade that we put on last week, and we will discuss how to manage the iron condor option trade, showing a real example on the option trading platform. Hey guys, Darren here. We've got a great video for you here today. If you missed it, last week we utilized an iron condor option strategy using near-term options, and today we've got the results, whether it was profitable or not, and what we're doing, how we're going to manage it going forward. We're going to dig into many different tips and tricks. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do that down below now. Also, be sure and check out the free options workshop. I'll put a link down below as well. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Let's quickly review the option trade that we placed last week. So if you're ready, go ahead and hit that like button and let's begin. We will go to our Tastytrader account or whichever platform you're using. Tastytrade is one of the best and most intuitive for trading options. I'll put a link down below. Right now you can get up to $3,000 when you fund an account. We looked at all the options in Coinbase on the trade tab and chose the June 16 chain since it was about a week, just 9 days to expiration. This is actually a regular option chain since there is no W for weekly next to it. Weeklies expire every single Friday at the 4 p.m. Eastern Time close. The regular options close at the same 4 p.m. Eastern Time on the third Friday of every month. I probably should have clarified that in the part 1 video. We were looking to collect $2.01 up front upon placing this trade. The stock did move a little and we actually got filled at $1.83 on this one, so not quite as good as we were looking at originally. However, it is still better than 1/3 the width of the $5 strikes, so it's still a good fill. Now moving ahead, when we are at 4 days to expiration, the stock price is at $50.81 and we are still inside the short strikes. The profit range is highlighted in the green. You can see that we already banked $62 of the $183 collected up front due to the much quicker time decay and only being 9 days out to expiration when we placed the trade. So do I want to close out now and just take the $62 winner? No, I think I'll roll the dice and go for more money. If it goes against me, I'll just roll out and collect more premium. You can see there is still $121 in intrinsic value left, and there are only 4 days to expiration. Remember, we are still near the middle of the profit range, so we are not really being tested on either side. All right, moving ahead. Here is the trade with just 1 day left. You can see there is just $17 left in the trade. So we have banked $166 if we were to close now. However, we are still right in the middle of the profit range with the current $53 stock price. So hey, if I find $17 just walking along the street, I'm going to pick it up. I'm not just going to walk on by. So I'll wait a day and take the $17. All right. Maybe grab a bite to eat. All right, guys, fast forward. It's Friday and the trade expired worthless. It was a complete winner. Now, the IVR is still pretty high in Coinbase at 21, so I still want to have this trade on. So just to let you know what I'm doing next, I'm going to go to the July 21st regular option chain. It's currently at 36 days to expiration. I'm going $10 wide on the strikes this time, and I'll collect $365 for placing this new trade. $333 would be 1/3 the width of the $10 strikes, and we're collecting $365, so it's even better. I'll look to take profits early if possible, and if it goes against me, I'll just roll out and win in the following monthly option cycle. Now, the whole purpose of this video was to see if we could make a quick profit, and if not, enter a longer term trade. Well, it worked out in our favor. We made $183 in just 9 days. It's always better to profit quickly if we can. All right, guys, if you're a beginner or new to options trading and this sounded a little bit confusing, don't worry. It'll get clear as you watch more videos and learn more. Be sure and hit that notification bell below and you'll be notified of future videos, and we will learn and succeed together. I've put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Share the video with a friend. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see in future videos and what you're trading today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.